What's up, guys? Welcome in. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. XRP Army, welcome in. As always, drop those X's down below in the comments box. We're going to talk XRP because this is a very fascinating article that has come about from Coin Edition. I'm going to break it all down for you guys, some of the highlights. And this is something where we can talk about XRP and all-time highs and actually have a more concrete, solidified viewpoint in regards to this actually happening. So you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Also on X, if you guys follow me on Twitter, or formerly Twitter for that matter, never miss a beat with what goes on in a crypto game, and let's get down into it, all right? Not financial advice, as always, but please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But this is where we're seeing this Coin Edition article where we talk about XRP hitting all-time highs if Ripple would spend $6 billion in net buys. So we're going to get this analyst take, okay, as it relates to what needs to happen for that, as well as I want to show you guys real quickly on the crypto bubbles where we are looking at XRP currently, a very red day in the crypto game. Bought back a little bit, okay? Bought back a little bit. A lot of this is a lot of the selling the news of the Bitcoin ETF actually not happening. So you can pretty much connect the dots as we look into that rumor of the Bitcoin ETF being priced into the price of the overall market. And that's kind of what we're seeing. XRP down 10%, a very sharp sell-off, okay, getting down as low as 53 cents. And, you know, crypto's crashing. That's a very broad sense, stroke term, I should say. I don't like to use it, and it's not. Like, crypto crashing is we're talking 30% declines. This is just a little bit of a correction that we're seeing. Now, whether we can string a couple red days together and get an absolute crypto crash, that's yet to be determined. But I think the majority of this is just giving back some of these gains that we've had from the Bitcoin ETF, having all of that priced in, and then now seeing a little bit of FUD in the market by some of the callers out there, such as Peter Schiff, some other voices that, you know, are spreading some negativity in the market. So that's kind of what's going on. We're going to be covering it for you guys, but let's get back into what we're talking about with XRP, because this is what needs to happen according to a crypto voice out there, an analyst, Mr. Huber, okay, adding to the intrigues, basically saying that if XRP would do this, we could basically get back to all-time highs. This is based on a lot of historical trends within XRP, okay, calling out the facts. XRP has sudden and fast spikes between 30 and 100% that are lost in the time period of several months, coincide with buybacks of Ripple on open markets. That's 80% reliable quarter by quarter. And if you look at the buybacks, the Ripple buys $100 million of net purchases within 1 to 2 days, and it triggers this price spike around 50%. So that's very much open to the public. We can check it out on the charts, and you can see exactly what's correlating with these claims, okay? Basically, number 4 is the big one, guys. If you look at the overall volume from 2017 and 18 bull run, it takes about $6 billion in net buys for a 20x for for XRP from right there, okay? So that's kind of what it comes down to get back to those all-time highs of $3.84 that we had in 2018. That's what we need with the price movements, okay? It invariably coincides with Ripple's buybacks on the open markets. Now, what's important to note is I've done videos and I've said Ripple is dumping, Ripple is doing this, Ripple is selling on XRP. Guys, that is not FUD. The title sounds like FUD, but yes, I want you to click my videos. That is the purpose of YouTube. I'm not doing this to defraud you and spread malinformation, misinformation to you guys in any way, shape, or the matter. This is a way for you guys to watch my videos because I wanted to get the positive note, the take-home message from that video out for you guys. Because everybody thinks that Ripple is dumping on XRP holders, and inevitably, there's a lot of misconception about that. They're reinvesting into XRP, into Ripple's company, which would subsequently help XRP in the long run. Okay, these are scheduled buybacks or scheduled dumps. Dumps just a very negative word that, unfortunately, because of the YouTube algorithm, we have to use terminology like that to get you guys on board. And it's something where it's not necessarily a representation of me or my channel, but it's just what is necessary to get the job done and to get the actual message out to the public. All right. But the narration continues, guys. This is something where you see what we have had happen in 2018 and the need for XRP to basically surge to an all-time high because it's stale. A lot of cryptos have taken the limelight from XRP, right? Since we've got out of the trial period. We've seen Solana have a run up, okay? Cardano even more so in recent times, seeing a lot of traffic, as well as some new players entering the fold, okay? It's going to be a very exciting run for 2024, and there's going to be a lot of winners. I want XRP to win, trust me. But what we need to have happen is a very, very highly probable stimulus where we get these price surges, right? Okay, and this is something where you look at the possibility of XRP even going up 50%, according to Mr. Huber, when Ripple buys back $100 million of net purchases in 1 to 2 days. And that's kind of what needs to happen. We carry out these historical trends time and time again, and these price surges will increase, okay? If history repeats, this is what's going to happen. I just wanted to share with you guys this feeling and sentiment coming down from an XRP analyst, and that basically would cause about $6 billion in net buys, or a 20x from here to get back to where we needed to have that 2,000x, that 20x, the 2,000% surge to get back to the all-time highs, okay? Fascinating stuff. Crypto is booming. The bull cycle, if we can hit our legs and hit our stride, it's going to be a very fascinating run in 2024. A lot of positive catalysts. We got a new presidential regime coming, hopefully. Sorry, didn't really want to talk politics. The Bitcoin halving event, as well as a lot of other things coming down with Bitcoin spot ETF and more blockchains coming out with altcoins. It's a very fascinating time to go out there and make money. Hope you guys are all doing well. Guys, remember to subscribe down below. Follow us on X as well. Never miss a beat. But I appreciate you guys all being part of the channel, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.